Good morning, people of the YouTubes. It's kind of early, it's like 5 o'clock in the morning. But we're here at the airport. We're searching for our airplane. Ooh, there she is. We're gonna be taking this nice old Cherokee 6 down to Key West. Kinda cool.
Welcome to the vlog, bitches.
And start, it's a little push button.
Done with lunch. Key West Jeep Adventures brought us our actual Jeep that we're supposed to be driving, and she's minty. We're missing a few things though, like a door and a roof, and now they gave us 35s, which I don't think that's safe, but I promise to keep the vehicle on paved first surfaces at all times.
Absolutely.
And put it in gear when driving, you know? Dude, this thing is sweet.
This thing is pretty sweet.
Here you go, Connor. She's on.
Oh wow, thank you, sir. Greetings.
We'd have to go like afternoon fishing because we need to go check in.
Well, we could go fishing after our last dive, you know what I mean? And still, because that will decomp.
We need to go check in because...
No, definitely. No, we're definitely not fishing right now, if that's what you mean. We still definitely have to go to the hotel.
And then if we're going fishing, I need to text Nate and ask him who to go with.
Wow, everything we need and more.
Ooh, Alex might have to buy a spear gun. They gotta.
So what are these, like the non?
The rail gun? You could get a rail gun like this. They're still really good. It's just different style. Some people prefer these. You know, I'm just a wood boy. I like the way it looks.
I need to learn how to not shoot lobsters first.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
We'll put your hands on my spear gun first.
Seen it in person. The Vallejo? Yeah. It's a lot though.
It is.
That's a fucking sure.
Oh, it's a heads-up display. Look at
That would
that.
be so nuts.
That'd be pretty cool.
Hey guys.
How's it going?
How's it
Hello.
going? You guys spearing in the morning?
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, sorry about that.
Super nice.
I know we had people out there and the viz is shit.
Is it? That's what they're
It's
selling us at the
awful.
restaurant.
It's not even.
Can I rent like a computer?
Yeah, let me see if I have
The console.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can just get it for you in the morning.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
What time do we need to be here?
So you've all spearfished before, right?
Yes.
8 a.m.
Cool.
Yeah, and you'll be with a guy named Jordy.
And check-in?
Check-in. We'll take off about 8:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do they know what site they're going to yet?
What's tomorrow?
Tuesday?
Tuesday. I'm not sure. It'll be up to the captain just when pretty much on his way out.
Yeah, he
to
just
look at
decides,
the
yeah.
visibility. But we'll be doing a reef dive probably around 80 feet. Probably 60 the second dive.
All right.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then we're also doing a noon dive. Is there time in between?
Yeah, so you'll be back off the morning dive around 11:30.
So our dive was canceled and they won't let us check into our Airbnb. So what do? Take the Jeep into a state park.
Because why not?
Because why not? We're gonna go behave at the park. Absolutely.
Yeah, I guess that's true. They could have still made them come here for all weather. Says no cash. We made it. Boys, you guys like the spot I have? Oh, it does have a garage. What do you know, boys? 202, 204. Hey, baby. Let's go.
Oh, we got a Woo! So we made it to our spot for the week. Let's go check this place out. I really hope there's a golf cart in here. Keys Caribbean Vacation Home Rentals. More like Airbnb, baby. Oh man. Yeah. Oh boy. Yo, look at this mirror, dude. I think it'll do, my guy. So, did you check if there's a golf cart or what?
I mean, haven't even got that far yet.
Oh. Oh, yes. I'll put the location or put the Airbnb information in the bio.
Dude. Go look at the fucking master bath.
No.
Go check out my room.
How many floors up do I gotta go?
Just one more? Yeah.
Hey, let's do a quick, one bedroom, little bathroom. Pretty cool. That's Trevor's room. Yo, this place is sick.
I'll tell you what, the line on Airbnb thing, but it's just 5 minutes.
So. Woohoo-wee! Look at this view. Oh, that's sick. We definitely should have invited more people on this trip. So what were you saying about this? I gotta check out the bathroom? Oh, heck no. Is that a step down? Where's the lights for this thing? Turn the lights on. Turn the lights on. Wow.
Look at the shower, bro.
Yeah,
Look at the shower, bro. Tell me.
Oh, I know. I saw it.
All right. So,
Talk about some bullshit.
All right.
time to go to the bar and meet some chicks.
All right.
See ya.
We have made it to the beautiful Florida Keys. We're right outside the Worldwide Sportsman. Killing it, boys, killing it. Check out this dinner spot we hit. Fish Company. There's plenty more in store on this trip for everybody. I just wanted to share a couple of these beautiful views. Welcome to the islands, boys. We're out here just fucking sending one, you know.
So, Mr. Connor's gonna show us how to catch a conch. Yeah, no,
watch.
I don't see one fish, dude.
Just wait a second.
No.
Just wait, bro. Just wait, bro.
Nope. Not one fish. What a buzzkill, dude. You fed a bunch of birds, but no fish.
You're just happy you get to say that instead of me saying it to you like 20 seconds ago.
Yeah, I totally did mess up 20 seconds ago. But look, even more birds.
Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if a fish still comes
I
up
want
in
to see a
this area.
shark eat one of these birds.
I wouldn't be surprised if great white came out and bam!
Clapped a bird, dude.
Bro,
that
you
was
just missed it. Bro, you literally just missed it. I'm just kidding. He's giving the
See this face? Not even phased by the bullshit.
cold. We're in the famous Worldwide Sportsman here in Islamorada. Check it out. Some shoes.
Yeah.
I know. They got all the fishing gear.
But do they sell Crocs?
Probably. We just wanted to do the sick elevator ride.
Would you mind pressing number 2, please?
Yep.
Thank you very much.
I just came down for the ride.
That's what we're here for.
We're just doing the ride too.
Whoa. Sick. Sick. That boat is so cool, though.
It is pretty cool. Look at all those fishing rods. Where you catch anything?
I'm
with that?
staying away from that aisle. That's where your credit card declines.
Literally.
Sir.
The great wooden sailfish. Beautiful.
Bass Pro ain't got nothing on this tank, though. Where's the shark?
It's an nurse shark, right?
Oh. Hi, guy. You won't jump in there.
Dude, they got some African
sharks
pompano.
don't
They
give
got
a
those little African pompanos in there, that silver one.
Connor,
I'm not jumping in, dude.
off the balcony, in the
Do a double
pool,
backflip.
$500.
Definitely not. Off the balcony into the pool, 500.
You won't.
I'll do a backflip for $500.
No, you won't.
Probably not.
There's a shark in there, dude.
Dude, I'm not scared of that little ass shark. Yeah.
How to get bit in a store.
Look at these, bro. Do you see these?
I don't think you
This
can
one's
really
looking at
see
me for
them on
food,
the
bro.
camera.
He's looking at me for food right now. Look at him all.
That's a big old tarpon.
They know it's feeding time. I don't think you would want to. I mean, it's probably legal to. I don't know. I'd have to look. We got chickens in the tree.
Yep. They kind of settled down.
I really do. I mean, like, that's illegal right there.